www.whatsappweb.com, and I've already launched it down. As you can read on the instruction 1, 2, 3, these are the settings you are going to do in your phone. So after launching it, you scroll down. There will be a QR code for you to scan in your phone. So you launch your WhatsApp application. It really work well on iPhones and Android, iOS, Windows Phone, anyhow kind of phone. But today is Android I'm showing you about. So you go to your WhatsApp setting, go to WhatsApp web, then scan this QR code. So I'm scanning it over right now, and you wait for a little while for it to load. Now it has loaded. The Cine computer is also loading too as well. Seeing this that's connected, keep your phone connected. This is an spy. Anything the person is typing, you can know. Anything the person, the video is sent, you can spy. You can use to spy your boyfriend, or your girlfriend, or your wife, or any other person that you wish to spy. All you gotta do is just to hold his phone, scan the QR code in your computer, and wow, boom, that's all. See, I'm going to launch into my application. This is it. So I type something, hi, and I've sent. If you look closely on AppKey, you'll notice that a tick have arrived without you typing it in your computer, which means in the person's phone he have typed a message to a person called AppKey, and you can view all his messages. The right hand side is the person's phone, and the left hand side is your computer. So also you can reply the person message. It's not only the person that can type. You can use your phone or your computer to answer the person message, and the other person is gonna see it too also. If you wish, you can answer the person after he send, then you delete the message so the person won't be able to see it in his phone. If not, the person is gonna see it like the other one. even emojis, any type of emojis you send is going to work. The way you send it is the way you see it. So thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button, like and also comment, and